Hi and welcome to our kitchen. In this kitchen today, we will be talking about the regional varieties of the German potato salads. I thought it's going to be much easier for you to understand the differences if I'm going to show you how I make them. And because we are just opening barbecue season, we're going to need a lot of potato salad, so that's fine. But before I tell you all about the regional varieties of the German potato salad, firstly, I'm going to show you how to choose the right potatoes to make the German potato salad and how to cook it so the potatoes won't break after slicing them and soak some of the dressing that gives them this particular taste. Also, don't forget that in the description box down below, I'm going to put all the recipes that you need to make those salads yourself. But now, without further ado, let's just start. In Germany, we like making our potato salads from the jagged potatoes, and to make those, we use waxy potatoes. So if you'd like to make German potato salad, I would like to encourage you to find waxy potatoes because they are a perfect ingredient for salads and gratins. Waxy potatoes are usually more firm than the floury or starchy potatoes, and also they have very thin skin, and that makes the peeling task after cooking much easier. Some people like preparing the potatoes one day ahead, as this makes the cutting much easier. But potatoes prepared that way don't soak the dressing so much, so I prefer using freshly cooked potatoes. To make this free potato salad, I cooked 1/2 kilo of potatoes, 500 gram potatoes per salad, which is perfect amount for 2 people. Also, what is important to mention is that I cooked the potatoes for 12 minutes in the pressure cooker. After the cooking, you need to remove the water from the pot and let the potatoes to cool down a bit. And then you can peel them. I always do that with a very small knife. To peel 1/2 kilo of potatoes took me 20 minutes, and I seriously took my time with this. After peeling, I did slice the potatoes, and now let's move on to the regional varieties. In the south of Germany, very popular is the oil, vinegar, broth and mustard dressing. Apart from potatoes, obviously, other typical ingredients are onion, pickles, bacon and sometimes even garlic. This potato salad can be served warm or cold, and it tastes much better if you leave it for several hours in the fridge before serving. First of all, we're gonna talk about the Swabian potato salad, which is the most simple and I think the most famous potato salad from all German potato salads. Does actually contain only onion and the dressing, so to make it we're gonna need to chop the onion first and then prepare the dressing. For the dressing you're gonna need to heat up the broth and then put the onions in it, sugar, mustard, and salt and pepper. After this, your dressing is ready and you can pour it over your potatoes. Make sure you mix the ingredients very well and put it into the fridge for at least 3 hours. Just don't forget before the serving to add 2 tablespoons of sunflower oil. Although the Swabian potato salad is very plain and simple, it's truly delicious. This potato salad can also be eaten warm, so if you like it like that, you can warm it up. And actually, if we have skipped the meat broth, that would be the only German vegan dish I know. The next potato salad that I would like to mention is the Bavarian potato salad. The Bavarian potato salad obviously comes also from South Germany and it's very similar to the Swabian potato salad. Bavarian potato salad is usually richer in ingredients because there is a bacon that is added to it, as well as sliced pickles, but the dressing remains the same. Obviously the bacon and pickles, they change the taste of the salad completely, but I wouldn't say it's less delicious than the previous one. The potato salads from northern Germany are usually made with mayo or Miracle Whip dressing. They're also usually richer in ingredients. The people from North Germany like adding to them onion, pickles, apple, radish, sausage or other meat, herring and an egg. This potato salad can be served only cold and it can be served immediately after being prepared. As mentioned before, the potato salads from northern Germany are made with a mayo or a Miracle Whip dressing, and I'm gonna use the Miracle Whip to prepare mine. And because my potatoes are ready, I'm gonna make the dressing right now. So first I'm gonna put the Miracle Whip in the bowl, and then I'm gonna add the mustard, salt, onions and pickles. Then I'm gonna add the dressing to the sliced potatoes and mix it well. And at the end I'm gonna add sliced egg. And our last potato salad is ready. And that would be the right salad to make if you want to eat your salad straight away. There are surely many more potato salad recipes out there. It feels like every family has its own recipe. But in this video my goal was to show you the main differences. So I hope that now you understand what type of potato salads are available here in Germany. When it's about the ingredients, don't take it too literally. Let's be honest, you can put in your potato salad whatever you like. If you would like to know more about the German potatoes, I have prepared a video that explains the different varieties and what to cook out of them, so you can watch that next. For more food content, please follow us on Facebook, and if you want to have a daily inspiration of what I eat and cook every day, you can follow me on Instagram. I'm gonna put the links to the social media channels and the blogs in the description box down below for you. I hope that you had a wonderful weekend and a great week ahead of you. Remember to stay safe, and I hope to see you next week. Bye!